ready with me to go to the dentist because my teeth are ugly. But at least my face is pretty. Tomorrow is my photo shoot day. I'm so excited. Philippine little stars. I'm gonna clean my teeth for tomorrow's photo shoot big day. We're gonna go to Venice. You're gonna see. I'm not gonna tell you if it's Manila or here. I'm not gonna tell you. I'll tell you in the next vlog tomorrow. My mama's gonna upload this tomorrow or now. I think. Online voting is very soon, guys. I am so excited. Please support me. Brilliant Smile Dental Clinic. I love it here. My first time. I'm scared.
Why?
You might pull my teeth out.
Bakit may bulok ka bang ngipin?
No, this teeth is wiggling.
Yes.
I'm so scared. They're literally, do you hear that? It sounds like a saw. I'm so scared. Brilliant Smile is located at Lucas, Pangasinan.
Ilocano challenge.
Kapag padalos ka tumitan mo.
Gawin, agmodalak to no bigat.
Kaya-
Photoshoot.
Kaya nadagaminti.
Photoshoot ko.
Nadagaminti dikki na. Hinipan mo.
Aman dikke.
Nga nga.
Sika, naggado dikke. Kitang tingip. I-close up mo yung ngipin ni daddy.
Bakit? Apay gamen.
Gamin.
Ang gaminat.
Gamen.
Gamin nagtutok brush ni daddy.
Kasi ka nga, ito toothbrush ka gano'n din daw.
Madi.
Iso nga niya.
Adote.
Once a week.
Iso adote.
Iso na pintas.
Try natin na.
I am Dr. Ella.
Bakit ka na kay ating mo
Say thank you kay Doktora.
Ay, wala na.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you to Dr. Ella for cleaning my teeth today. This is my first time at the dentist. I don't like the taste of the medicine, but at least my teeth are clean. Thank you for Brilliant Smile Dental Clinic located at Villages, Pangasinan.
Doktora.
Dr. Ella.
Thank you.
Hey kids, if you wanna visit a dentist, go to Brilliant Smile Dental Clinic. It's literally the best. I'm not even kidding. Look for Dr. Ella. Thank you, Mommy. I love Mr. Donut.
Me too.
Nababakit na kami sa Mr. Donut ko. Sarap kasi ng Mr. Donut.
Pero bawal mo pang kainin.
Later, after 30 minutes.
What happened?
I sit,
What did you do?
I sit on it.
Anong nangyari?
I sat on it. Broken.
It's broken.